context of this vlog is gonna be last few days of 2024, and I'm gonna be spending my Christmas and New Year at my home. Yeah, guys, I reached my native and it's currently 6 a.m. and the moon is still out here. Just look. Yeah, I know the phone like kevalama theriyudu, but in real life it looks so good, and I'm waiting for my mom to pick me up.
The next day.
My Thambi is getting kulfi for both of us. Vinay! Guys, this kulfi is the best kulfi you ever had. It's like 20 rupees and it's the best.
6.5 hours later.
So we are currently at a supermarket getting ingredients to make cheesecake.
Yes, Vinay service tax.
It's currently 12:20 and it's Christmas Day, so that's December 24th. I'm currently drinking my coffee in midnight. For some reason, I drink coffee and I sleep. I don't know. It's just me, guys. So I'm gonna drink my coffee. So I just finished my skincare and this is how my skin is looking in the sun. This is idli and this is kothakari. Kothakari is nothing but chopped, like nicely chopped mutton.
Years ago? Oh, I'm also sending out.
I got ready. This is my outfit. This is a tunic top from Max and I'm just wearing skinny jeans and I'm wearing a bright purple lipstick. So we completed watching the movie and we are in a cafe. Me and my mother is here. We're gonna have some coffee and have some cake. Cheers. Now we are at KFC having girl dinner. It's just me and my mom. We just ordered 15-piece strips for $3.99. If you don't know, KFC have offers at every Wednesday, so you can use it. So we are just waiting for food patiently.